Hey guys, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on these new floral insert cutouts. This is from a printable kit in my Etsy shop, My Porch Prints on Etsy, and I'll put a link down below to the kits that I'm using today. And these are just a fun little insert for your journal or any kind of like card or book that you're making. And they're really easy to put together, so I'm just going to do a quick tutorial to help you guys see how these work. So as you can see, they come with a printable paper, and I've printed this pattern on the back of it. These patterns are also included with the kit. And then it comes with a matching cutout for each paper. And I'll go ahead and show you how we put these together. So to start with, I've got a signature of pages for a journal. And if you're new to journaling, a signature of pages is just a group of folded pages. And so the idea is that these would be put together and then you would stick them inside of a journal. So how this works is you just open up to where you want your insert cutout to go. And you choose the one that you're using, and again, I've printed it front and back, and same thing with the cutouts. These were printed on paper and I printed them front and back, and then I cut them out already so that they were ready to go. And so you take the paper and you fold it in half, just like that, and then that goes inside your signature, your group of folded pages, just kind of wherever you want it to go, like this. And, oops, got too many here. There we go. And then same thing with this. So what you want to do, and you can move this aside for a moment, is line this up so that it's on top of the image, because it's the same image as the paper. And what you want to do is try to fold it where you folded your paper, so just roughly in that same area. So I'm going to try to get kind of close here. And then just kind of fold it over, and it's not going to like match up or anything. The sides are different. It's not symmetrical. But that's okay, because it's still going to work pretty good, I think, for what we're doing. And then what you want to do is fold it the other direction, just like this. And then go ahead and put your signature of pages back in here. And turn this backward, backwards. And you'll see that it kind of matches up and it creates this kind of cute little just dimensional flap here. And then on the other side is the printed paper from the patterned paper that's included with the kit. And same thing when you turn it to this side, it'll also match up. I mean, not perfectly, but you know, it's got that look like a continuous image. So it's just that simple. And we'll go ahead and do another one. Okay, so we take our paper and we fold it in half. And then we take our cutout. And I printed most of these on cardstock because I thought it would be nice and sturdy, but this one I accidentally printed on paper. So we'll see how this works out, if it still works the same or not. But personally, I would probably do it on cardstock. And then fold it in half, kind of where the paper folds. And then we'll fold it in half the other way. And then we'll go ahead and stick this into our signature pages. Wherever you want it to go is fine. And then we'll turn this around backward and stick it in here too. And there you go. You've got a cute little just dimensional piece for your journal. All right, that's it. It's that easy. Thanks for watching, everyone.